Hello guys, welcome to my next under 5-minute video featuring two projects, the trees project and the city project, and two effects, double exposure effect and the colorize effect by changing the colors. And all the pictures in this tutorial are going to be in a link in the description below. You can download it anytime. So let's start. Let's start here. We have here two pictures. There's a guy picture and there's a city picture. So let's start with the guy. I'm gonna go to the magic wand and select subject. And when you select the subject, go to select and mask, and increase the radius a little bit so you can see here the beard is better. This looks better. Maybe, okay, this looks fine. So you can go to the output settings, output to new layer, and press OK. And now in the layer panel, just delete this layer with the background and leave with the one without the background. So now you can hold Control and press on the box of guy copy, and go to city and press Ctrl J to copy only the selection. And you can delete city now and leave layer 1. Let's name it city. Okay, so now let's continue. You can on city add a mask and then go to the brush, and because it's a white mask you can get a black foreground and put it on 100 opacity and maybe 360 size, and just add back the stuff which you want. Okay, and you can decrease the opacity a little bit, maybe on 9, and put it on white foreground and just delete some, make it blend more, or put it on black and add more. Okay, this looks fine. So let's go to layers, and now let's add the colorize. So go to guy copy and add adjustment layers gradient, and put the gradient maybe on this color here, and press OK. And then now click on it and go to blend modes and put it on color. And now you would have different colors. You can put whatever color you want, but I'm gonna keep it on the original because it looks good. And let's add another layer, and in this layer add text, and let's write double exposure. Okay, so Ctrl T to scale and transform, enlarge it and place it somewhere in the middle, and then you can change the color, maybe put it this kind of gray, and now you can place it underneath city. And now from the mask of city you can get the black foreground and get the brush and just add back the O, and this is it. Okay, now let's do the other effect. So let's go to layers, delete city, delete the text, and I added a picture of trees. So let's put it on top so we can edit it. Go to edit, transform, and flip vertical. And now let's do the same thing. Hold Control and press on the mask of guy so we get the selection back. Now go to the trees layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate only the selection. So now we can delete the trees layer and name the new layer trees. Okay, so now we go to trees and add mask, a white mask. So now we have to put a black foreground with a brush and just add this part while clicked on the trees mask. You can put the white foreground just to remove some from here so the neck seems like it's made of grass. And we're done.